Here is the garage of the cartoon cars. Hello, green car. Hey, call your 3 friends. Hi guys, we are going to build a bridge today. Let's go. Look, can you see these big holes in the bridge? We need to fit colour blocks into these holes to finish building the bridge. Here is a block. But all these blocks are grey and we need colour blocks. So we need to paint them. Look here, this is a painting circle. Let's see what it does. Look, it paints things green. Great, it works well. Hey, little car, move the grey block into the painting circle. Now, push the button. Hooray! Now the block is green. Push it onto the bridge, please. Great! The green block fits into the hole. Hey, blue car, will you find us a blue block, please? Here is a blue block. The blue car is pushing the blue block back to the bridge. Great! It fits into the hole. Thank you. Here is the yellow car. What shape is it looking for? Look, here are 3 shapes. Which shape do we need? Yes, correct. This yellow block. Push it onto the bridge. And fit it into the hole. Okay. But now, to finish the bridge, we need a red block. Can you see it, little car? Yes? Go and get it, little car. Back at the bridge, the red block is pushed into its hole. Super! The bridge is finished and all the blocks are in place. The bridge is ready to use. Well done, cars. See you next time.